Hey there, my genius creators. My name is Jackie Lynn, and we are about to get it in. You can also call me the Learning Genie, which I like to call myself because I want to help you become the genius creator that you are and learn how to do that in an autodidactic way and help your students become genius creators as well. So let's get started. Today we're going to be focusing on how to assign as homework one of the worksheets for your students. Prior to doing that, though, you need to have already assigned them as students. Assigned the workbooks to the students. So when you are on my workbooks and you are here, you can assign students here. Now, because of privacy sake, I won't do that right now. But for this particular tutorial, we're going to look at assigning homework. There are many things you can do with this worksheet. You can allow repetition of the worksheet to have them repeated. You can check the options. You can add it to another workbook. And we're going to assign homework. Now, I want them to do this tomorrow or to complete page 1. And so I'm going to give them a time limit. It's due tomorrow in class. I want them to be able to mark it as not handed in, but allow students to do it later. I will give them the opportunity to complete. This way, it says to not hand it, that they didn't hand it in, but not allow them to do it later. I still want them to do the work. I'm not going to mark it as 0 because the score is going to be a 0. I would prefer it to mark it as they didn't complete it, or allow them to do the exercise after the time limit. No, not for this particular one. So I'm going to assign it to these particular students, and I will fix that privacy portion. All right, that is done. Moving on. And now we're going to click Assign to Selected Students, which is all of them. And now it has been assigned for homework. Now, if you want, you can click a link and have it added, to their Google Classrooms, but they can just log on, or you put it on your platform, however you want to give them the assignment to let them know to complete the assignment, that's on you. But getting it in here and loaded up, that's simple. It doesn't take long. The long part is having everything set up before you get to this point. So getting students logged in, getting their passwords, making sure they have their passwords regularly and somewhere where they can find them, and all of those issues. And once you get those little kinks out, those logistics out, then you can go through here and do this in about 10 minutes of just setting up some pages for them to work on for whatever the particular concept, standard, strand, domain, whatever you want to call it. That's it. Very simple. If I want to add more worksheets, I can. And then we'll look at the results in a second and what you can do with those and how you don't have to grade anything. That's the most exciting part, if you don't have to grade. So thank you. Once again, this is Jackie Lynn, the Learning Genie, getting it in with live worksheets. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this brief tutorial, please click the like and subscribe button. Post a comment to let me know how you did with getting on this platform and working out the kinks and assigning pages to your workbook or worksheets to your workbook. Thank you very much. Have a great evening, day, or morning.